Bilib na bilib kay Lebron ang dating teammate niya sa Lakers na si Markieff Morris, wala daw itong katulad. Pero bago yan, Klay Thompson dapat nga bang bigyan ng max contract extension ng GSW? Malaking parte nga po si Klay sa binuong dynasty ng Warriors kung saan nakakuha ng 4 na kampyonato ang franchise mula noong 2015. At next season, free agent na nga po ang nasabing shooting guard. At ngayon, hindi pa rin nga po ito binibigyan ng contract extension ng Golden State. Kaya naman pinagdedebatihan nga po ng mga NBA fans kung deserve ba ni Klay na bigyan ito ng max contract extension ng Warriors. Ayon sa isang fan, I love his game pero wash na daw si Klay Thompson. Pero may isang fans din na nagsabi na deserve daw ni Klay na magka-max contract dahil sa skill set nito. At kung hindi daw ito bigyan ng max contract ng Warriors, siguradong aalis daw ito sa GSW. Ayon naman sa isang fan, kung hindi daw nagka-Achilles tear si Klay, deserve daw nito ng max contract. Pero ngayon dapat hindi na daw ito mag-expect ng max contract kung gusto pa daw nitong manalo ng kampyonato. Nag-average nga po si Klay ng 21.5 points, 3.8 rebounds sa 2.4 assists, shooting 40% sa 3-point area noong 2018 to 2019 season, bago ito mawala ng 2 season dahil sa kanyang injury. At last season, nag-average naman si Klay ng 21.9 points, 4.1 rebounds at 2.4 assists, shooting 41% sa 3-point area. Kaya walang duda na hindi nakaapekto ang pagkakaroon ng Achilles tear ni Klay sa kanyang laro. Kung kayo ba ang tatanungin, deserve ba ni Klay na magkaroon ng max contract extension mga brother? Samantalang former Lakers na si Markieff Morris, sinabing wala daw katulad si LeBron James. Ibinunyag nga po ni Markieff Morris sa naging interview niya kay Matt Barnes na noong 2020 season kung saan bago pa man sila pumunta sa NBA bubble, alam na daw nila na sila ang magkakampyon dahil sobrang lock-in daw sila sa kanilang goal at ito ang manalo ng kampyonato. At kahit sino pa raw ang makaharap nila siguradong sila ang mananalo.
Before we went in the bubble, we knew we was going to win. We were so locked in. It was this shit happened with Kobe. Was like, we got to get done for him. We was one of the teams that was pushing more for the bubble because we knew we had the best chance of winning. And we knew no matter what, who stepped on the court with us, we was going to win.
Ayun din kay Morris, real thing daw talaga ang LeBron effect. Dahil hindi pa daw siya nakakakita ng player na grabe kung mag-ensayo gaya ni LeBron. 3 to 4 hours bago pa daw magsimula ang laro nagpa-practice na si LBJ.
That LeBron effect is a real thing. Like, I've never seen nobody work as hard as him. You know what I mean? 3-4 hours before the game. I mean, he putting in work in the weight room, treatment till 2 in the morning. All those things, and still being him on the court, off the court, around the game. Nobody works as hard.